won a couple of games at ups. And so far, how is your team with you around?
I'm enjoying the team so far, to be honest. I like the way we've been practicing, we've been playing. Obviously, we haven't been complete yet. Perkins has still been out. Richie was out today. Pero so far, I think the team's gelling well. Obviously, it's just a preseason, so it's too early to tell. But I mean, a lot of positives for me. Hopefully, we can continue to build sa season.
Si Perk naman and Richie, wala namang nating series naman.
No, nothing naman. Richie had some back spasms. Perk had his knee drained a little bit, but
So far, how is the team adjusting to you, your coaching style, and your philosophies?
I think it's okay. I mean, I'd like to think that it's working out, but obviously it's too early to tell. We'll see when the PBA comes, diba? I'm hoping they'll be able to respond pagdating sa season. I mean, to me, a lot of these guys are experienced. They also came from good coaches naman. So it's just about playing the way that I want and playing the right way for us. And hopefully, and so far, it looks decent naman.
Ito na yung team, or will you be having additions in the coming?
More or less, I think this is it. We're okay with 13, 14 guys. I think that's enough naman. I don't know sa management if they still want to add players. But ako, I'm content with the lineup that we have.
Quite a young team aside from the likes of outside of Perk and
Yes.
Sabi nga sa akin ni Katie, parang siya na yung one of the oldest there.
It's only second, third year. Yeah, they're young, but I think we have some vets rin naman like si Perk who can really help me guide the team. Katie, he may be young, but he's one of the leaders of our team. So I'd like to think we have guys. I mean, they've come from great programs since the team. We have a bunch of LaSalle players, Ateneo players. So I think they've been coached well, and I think we're okay.
How about syempre, every time na may coaching change, may mga sinasabi na expectations about making the playoffs or something like that, na next level. So, ano lang yung ano mo dun?
Siguro for me, the modest goal would be to make the playoffs first. Again, they haven't made the playoffs in 5 conferences. So that's the first step. Kahit maka-quarters muna. Then let's see, we'll build by there. Mahirap naman sabihin. Siyempre, I mean, our dream is to win a championship. Any coach would want that. But I think we have to start building slowly, make the quarters, and maybe make the semis. But that will be the first goal, to try to make the playoffs.
How are you balancing right now yung sa binild mo?
Medyo off-season pa naman sa NCAA, so we're just spending 3-4 times a week there. We practice there early, then we come here sa PBA. But right now, I'm focusing on Phoenix kasi our season's already about to start.
Officially, what's your position sa NCAA?
I don't know, kasi matagal pa naman yung NCAA. Hindi pa namin napag-uusapan doon. I haven't spoke to the bosses or the school yet about it. Diba? I mean, they know that I'm here in Phoenix right now and I'll be the head coach. So this is the priority for now.
But yung mga practices so far nung binild, sino?
Kami pa rin with my staff. I think it's a team effort naman. I mean, that's been our style. We let our coaches run the practice also. We empower them.
Bringing Coach TY dito sa Phoenix, ano lang yung what made you decide to also bring him in?
I think we work really well together. He's been one of my partners coaching for the last how many years. So I really wanted somebody that's familiar with the way I run things. So I mean, it was a no-brainer for me.
Okay.